Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today I'm practicing in the fairly early morning with dew on the grass, and it puts me in mind of the concept of Ganlu in Chinese or in Taoism. Ganlu is like sweet dew or nectar. It can be understood as Amrita if you're familiar with different worldviews. So what I'm basically doing, and I invite you to try at some point, I've done this in like pants and socks. Here I have moccasins. They'll kind of absorb the dew. So as I go through my practice, I may feel it, but I may just look down afterwards and see how the dew has collected. So I'm basically just trying to, oh, so a great blue heron just flew underneath the half moon. Sweet nectar indeed. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to become aware of every footstep, every time the foot moves across the earth, what it might collect. And in this case, it's physically collecting dew. But this is also kind of a spiritual idea, and one way to translate Ganlu would be like spiritual kindness. And so I can be thinking of collecting that, which might not just be in my feet, by the way. Another thought that I have when I do this is I practice a Yang style of Tai Chi Chuan, and Yang Lu Chan's name, Lu, is the same Lu, that's dew. Yang is like a poplar tree, and so we could understand his name to have been the Zen of poplar's dew, or the Zen of the dew on a poplar. And so it helps me really connect to my art, my particular lineage to practice this, and I'd invite you to do the same. So enjoy that and have some fun. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And just do it.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.